Listen and practice. I was thrilled as my family and I embarked on a trip to the beach. The excitement bubbled inside me as we loaded up the car with beach chairs, umbrellas, and a cooler full of refreshing treats. The sun was shining brightly, promising a perfect day ahead. As we reached the sandy shores, my heart leaped with joy. The sound of crashing waves and the scent of salty sea air filled the atmosphere. I couldn't wait to dip my toes into the cool, turquoise water. We spread our beach towels and set up our spot near the water's edge. My younger brother, Andy, and I wasted no time building sandcastles and chasing the foamy waves. The sand felt warm between my fingers, and the laughter of families around us made the day even more delightful. Soon, we all decided to venture into the water. The waves were gentle, making it ideal for swimming and splashing around. My parents and I floated on our backs, looking up at the vast blue sky, while Andy tried to catch each wave that came his way. After an adventurous swim, we relaxed under the shade of our umbrellas. My mom handed out sandwiches and cold drinks, which tasted even better with the salty breeze. We exchanged stories and laughed together, cherishing these special family moments. Later, my dad suggested we go for a beach walk. With the sun slowly setting, the sky painted in hues of orange and pink, the view was simply breathtaking. We collected seashells as souvenirs, and I couldn't resist taking a few snapshots to preserve the memories. As darkness descended, we lit a bonfire and roasted marshmallows for s'mores. The crackling fire added to the enchanting ambience of the beach, and we huddled together, sharing stories and gazing at the stars above. As the night grew late, we reluctantly packed up our belongings. Our hearts were full, knowing that this beach trip had brought us closer as a family. As we drove home, we felt grateful for the wonderful day we had shared, and I couldn't wait for the next beach adventure with my loved ones.
English speaking practice.
Hey, Mark. How was the school trip last week? I missed it because I was sick.
Oh, hi Emma. The trip was amazing. I wish you could have been there with us.
I'm so glad to hear that you had a great time. Tell me all about it.
Well, we went to the botanical garden first. It was like stepping into a different world. There were so many beautiful flowers and plants.
Wow! That sounds lovely. Did you learn anything interesting?
Yes, we had a guide who told us all about the different types of plants and their importance in our ecosystem. I never knew there were so many varieties of roses.
That's fascinating. What did you do after the botanical garden?
After that, we visited the History Museum. It was like traveling back in time. They had ancient artifacts and interactive exhibits.
I love history. I wish I could have seen all those artifacts.
Don't worry, I took lots of pictures. I'll show them to you later.
Thanks, Mark. I'd love to see them.
We also had a picnic at the park. The weather was perfect, and we had so much fun playing games.
That sounds like a great way to spend the day. I wish I could have joined in on the fun.
We missed you, Emma. But I promise we'll have more fun trips together.
I'm looking forward to it. So, what was your favorite part of the trip?
It's hard to pick just one favorite, but I think I loved the botanical garden the most. It was so peaceful and relaxing.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Maybe I can visit the garden another time when I'm feeling better.
Definitely. We can go together. It would be fun.
Thanks, Mark. I appreciate your thoughtfulness.
No problem, Emma. We're friends, and friends look out for each other.
You're right, Mark. I'm lucky to have a friend like you.
And I'm lucky to have you as my friend too, Emma. We'll have more adventures together soon, I promise.
I can't wait. Let's make the most of our school trips and create more wonderful memories.
Absolutely. The next one will be even better with you by my side.
Thank you, Mark. You're the best.
You're welcome, Emma. Now, let's plan for our next adventure.
English quiz. Daily routine vocabulary.